if you own a cleaning business and it's been too long since you took a vacation, or you can't figure out how to get away from your cleaning business, this video is for you. My name is Matt. I'm a commercial cleaning CEO. I'm actually on vacation right now, just taking a brief moment over here to come tell you all how you can do this for yourself. I'm here in Rome, Italy, out here in front of one of the basilicas. Got one of the obelisks back here, just enjoying some time here with my wife. The kids are with the grandparents. But how did I get away from my business? And that's what I wanted to talk with you about so that you can too, and you can take a break. First, you really need to know that a vacation does more than just give you rest, which is great. You do need to take a break. You need to refresh. You need to sharpen up. You need to come back with more energy. But what happens is whenever you actually book a vacation and put it on the calendar, it forces you to do things to your business you wouldn't do if you were still going to be there. So for example, if I'm going to be gone from my business, then who's going to be doing inspections? Who's going to be talking with clients? Who's going to be handling the finances? Things like that, you're motivated to put them in place, right? Or at least to put some sort of system in place so that it can operate with those things without your involvement. So the first step that I would really say to getting ready to going on vacation is actually booking one and planning on not being there in your business. I know it is so hard because things come up in your company and you're just wondering when the next fire is going to erupt, and you're not a firefighter, or if you are the firefighter, then the thought of you not being there is very, very difficult and scary at times. But you have to take that step of actually booking your vacation, because what will also happen is you're going to work harder and you're going to work smarter than you would have otherwise, because now you are very, very motivated. Your priorities become clear about what you need to do, and you're going to make it happen because you don't want to waste the money you spent on booking that vacation. But here's the other thing too. You don't have to start off by going across the world. You don't have to start off by taking a whole 2 weeks or a week even at a time. You can start off by just doing a Thursday, Friday vacation. Maybe you do that every several months, maybe once a quarter. You reward yourself with a Thursday, Friday vacation, and then you work your way up to the extended ones. As your team grows, as your systems get better, as your processes get better, you're going to be able to do more and more and more. Your business is going to begin working to build you freedom instead of keeping you trapped. Now, obviously, you can choose how frequently to go and get away from your business. And it's not even really about getting away from your business. It's about, again, that refreshment, that renewal, and also coming back with more energy. But again, it makes your business stronger. And the other really important aspect to this is that when you are on vacation, you need to be on vacation. You can't be checking your phone all the time. You got to actually be there and let your business operate and let yourself get renewed and refreshed. You can, and this is what I do choose to check email and my phone a couple times, but they're at designated times that I've already said, this is what I'm willing to do, this is what I can do, and this is, maybe there is something going on that's a unique circumstance, but I'm just going to check and delegate whatever it is. And if it starts burning and if that fire starts spreading a little bit, then if I need to make a phone call, I can do something like that. But you're not trying to solve everything or trying to fix everything while you're on the vacation. You need to let your company do what it needs to do. You can hear some of these people in Rome over here honking. They get pretty intense with the traffic out here. But when you're here, you need to be here. That way it actually works. You don't want to be not with your business and thinking about your business when you can't really work on it. And then you don't want to be at your business wishing you were on vacation and then not really working on it. So you have to enjoy where you're at, be focused on where you're at, be a part of where you're at, and don't get mixed up in trying to not be where you're not. Be present, enjoy the vacation, enjoy wherever you're at, enjoy the family or the people that you're with, and actually be a part of the life you're living now. Don't let your business run your life now. There's more of a cost to owning a business than just the potential of losing some money if something goes wrong. There's a cost on your life. So there's a point, you got to draw that line in the sand where it should not cost you so much out of your life for owning the company that you do. And if it does, then maybe that thing that's causing all the problems doesn't need to be there anyways. Maybe the vacation is helping weed out things from your business that are making it so imperfect. Now, of course, if it's a financial thing and you're going to go broke if you lose a specific client, that's something you got to be prepared for, or you need to work on being prepared for and making sure that it doesn't happen whenever you are gone. So again, that gets into whenever you do schedule these, you are going to be motivated to do what's right for your business, and it's going to put your priorities in line. So again, be present when you're here so that it's not wasted, and so that you're able to come back a whole new person, and you can take it to the next level again and again and again, and your business becomes a machine that works to serve you instead of you working to serve this business that you just created out of nowhere one day. Make sure that it works for you. So if you enjoy content like this, if you own a commercial cleaning business, then tune in for more. My name is Matt. I'm a commercial cleaning CEO out here in Rome, Italy. I'll be back in the USA next week, but I wanted to film a really quick video while out here, just a few minutes, right? I'm not really working on vacation. It just takes a moment to come away and talk about something that I love and that I want to help you do as well. So in the meantime, keep building your business, and one day you can go wherever you want. Talk later. Keep building.